Chairperson, Department of Food Science and Nutrition, Karnataka State Open University. Welcome you all to the CBCS mode of MSc in Food and Nutrition Science. So our department was started in the year 2011 officially. But prior to that, University of Mysuru professors and teachers had come forward and felt that few courses need to be done in the distance mode. Accordingly, they started Certificate in Nutrition and Food, Diploma in Nutrition and Health Education, and we have taken forward in establishing two postgraduate courses, MSc in Clinical Nutrition Dietetics and MSc in Food and Nutrition Sciences, along with UG programs BSc in Food Science and Nutrition and BSc in Home Science also. And we have a few more diploma programs, postgraduate diploma in Nutrition and Dietetics, diploma in Nutrition and Health Education, and as I told earlier, Certificate in Nutrition and Food. Along with me, I have two more colleagues of mine, Dr. Anita C. and Dr. Krishnaraj V, who are working as assistant professor. And we will all be here together to train you up and coordinate the course. So as you all aware, the course is for 2 years and which will be running in 4 semesters. In the first semester, you will be studying the basics of food and nutrition, that is advanced nutrition, food science, then applied physiology, research methods, food chemistry, and nutritional epidemiology. And in the second semester, you will be studying advanced nutrition again, the second part of it, because the nutrition is very vast and it has to be covered in 2 courses. Then you have community nutrition, where you will be studying about the community. Then food analysis and techniques. So when if you are going for a food industry, you require how to conduct the analysis and techniques. So that will be dealt in that. And then basically food science, you will be studying functional properties of foods and also food laws and standards. Then you have the most ongoing and current scenario, the nutraceuticals and functional foods. Both in semester 1 and semester 2, you will be having an open elective paper that will be for 40 marks plus a 10, that is internal assignment. Probably you wouldn't have opted from food and nutrition science, instead you would have opted from different paper, maybe from psychology or biotechnology or microbiology of your choice which you are interested in. So that will be there, they will be dealing with the basics of an open elective paper. Coming to the third semester, where you will get into the depth of food science and nutrition. So one is the food preservation. So whenever you are going for an industry, you should know how the foods are preserved. So in that context, we have designed this course, this paper of food preservation, then product development and sensory evaluation. This is very, very important, because once you know the product development, you should be able to do the sensory evaluation also to give the report. Then apart from that, applicable to food science and nutrition, that is food hygiene and sanitation or food safety, then storage and handling of foods, then food packaging technology, and also food biotechnology, which is the ongoing scenario now. Then you have in the 4th semester food service management in institutions. So it can be any institution, it can be hotel management, it can be temples and religious places, hospitals and then hostels, etc. Then entrepreneurship and marketing. So food science and nutrition, the another way around is, if you don't work for an industry, you yourself can become an entrepreneur. So keeping that in point, we have introduced this paper, entrepreneurship and marketing. To add on to that, we have also few elective papers, that is diet and health, quality control in food industry. If you are not opting for paper in the 4th semester, you can also opt for dissertation. So once you get into the first sem and second sem, you will be knowing the basics of it, and you would have understood the system, what you need to do. So based on that, you can opt for dissertation. So as far as the practicals is concerned, we have practicals A and B. Each practical is for 40 marks plus 10 marks for the practical record or internal assignment, whatever it's been called. And this will cover the complete all theory papers practicals. So whatever theory papers you have studied, that practicals will be covered in these 2 practical classes. So for practical classes, maybe you may have to come down to Mysore, or if the strength is high at your place, suppose in Bangalore or some other place, we will come down there and schedule the practical classes for you all. So theory classes, it depends, sometimes it can be online also, or it can be done offline also. We will see the conditions, situations, and accordingly for each semester it will be planned. So whatever intimations we need to give you, it will be done through WhatsApp group. So the very first thing after this induction program, the WhatsApp group will be formulated and all the informations regarding the same will be given in the WhatsApp group. This food and nutrition science is a vast area which will be covering both dietetics as well as nutrition food science. So either you can be placed in a food science food industry, or you can work in a health sector department, or you can be a nutritionist, or you can be in the dietetic field also. So this becomes the base of all the possible opportunities or job what you want to take up. So here we have designed this course, or we have formulated so that you get practical as well as theoretical exposure to food and nutrition science. So once again, on behalf of Department of Food Science and Nutrition, I welcome you all to this subject and hope your stay here will be interactful and you'll be able to come out with good colors. Thank you very much.